Hello, madam. Can I help you with something?
Yes, I'm here to report a stolen purse.
Sure. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
What is your name, madam?
My name is Sarah Johnson.
Okay, can you tell me exactly what happened?
I was walking down the street when this man rushed to me, grabbed my purse, and ran away with it.
Where exactly did this incident happen to you?
It happened near the bus stop.
Did you see the man's face clearly? Can you describe his features?
Well, he had big brown eyes and black big lips. He had wavy golden hair.
Were there any valuable items in your purse?
Yes, a wallet with 2 credit cards, $500 cash, and my passport.
Tell me something more about the thief. What was he wearing?
He was wearing brown t-shirt and gray trousers.
What about his height and weight? Was he a tall guy or a short?
He was medium height, and he was quite slim.
Did the man you saw have facial hair such as a beard or mustache?
Yes, he had a thin mustache.
Okay, don't worry, we will do our best to catch the thief as soon as possible. Could you give us your address and your phone number?
Of course, my address is 32 Colon Street near Lincoln University. And my contact number is 630-38251.
Thank you. Now please take a look at this document to ensure every piece of information is correct.
Sure, let me check. Yes, it's all correct.
We'll let you know as soon as we find something.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hello, sir. Is there any problem I can help you with?
I had a car accident. My car was just hit by another car which didn't stop.
Okay, calm down and be seated, please.
Thank you, sir.
Now, could you please tell me what happened?
Today, I was driving to my office when the other car hit my car, and then kept driving, even though I waved for the driver to stop.
Okay, so you mean you faced a hit and run accident?
Yes, exactly.
I will need some more information, please. What does the other car look like? Please give me any details that you can remember. What was the color of the car?
The car looked new. It was a black four-door car with black windows. I think it was an Audi because I saw 4 silver circles on it.
Where and when this accident took place? We'll check the security camera at that location.
It happened near the Luxus Street, around 8:30 in the morning. I was on my way to work and now I am late.
Have you informed your boss about this incident?
Yes, I did, and he said to first file a report about this.
All right, I'll need your personal information, please.
Of course. My name is Stephen Felix.
Felix, is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
What is your address and phone number?
My address is 98 Lum Street, Georgetown. And my contact number is 6340173
Please sign here at the bottom, and you can expect a call from us as soon as we have any information regarding this case.
What if I don't hear from you?
We will call you, either give you an update on this case or let you know what to expect next.
Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
Have a safe day, Mr. Stefan.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please subscribe channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.